Hello! Today we're learning that double letters make the same sound, and our double letter today is double L. When you see it together, it just makes one L sound. And today you'll know you'll be successful if you can say the sound, if you can read words with that sound, and if you can spell words with this sound. But I think as a warm-up, Fred's come and Fred said that I think we should practice all the sounds we already know. When you see L, point. Here we go. W, v, x, z, t, I, s, d, o, e, a, ch, special friend, special friend, ng, special friend, j, k, kicking k, l, sh, n, special friend, b, k, f, g, has a nice tall back, qu, that's always followed by a. Well done. Let's make sure we can say it. Good. Can we read words with that sound? Well, Fred's given me some words. He says, let's first of all do some Fred talking so we can sound out together. So the special friend here is L. W-E-L. Well. Are you well today? I hope so. Special friend L. F-E-L. Fell. I fell down the stairs. Oh dear. Special friend L. B-E-L. Bell. I rang the bell. Well done. Fred says that you did that so well. Let's do some Fred in the head. And that's when we don't sound it out loud. We just sound it out in our head and say it only when I push it out. So I'm going to shuffle this up a bit. Here we go. Bell. Well. Fell. Well done. Fred said he's going to whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to say them. Here we go. K-I-L. Kill. B-I-L. Bill. S-E-L. Sell. F-E-L. Fell. Well done. So we've said the sound, we've read words with the sound, we've sounded them out as well. Let's spell some words. Let's spell 3 words. Let's start with the word sell. Say it first. Sell, sell, sell. Good. Let's see how many sounds it's got. S-E-L. Now we know it has 3 sounds, but it has 4 letters because it has our double letter. So the first sound is S. Here we go. One sound. S-E. Sell. S-E-L. I know it's part of this one. It's a double letter. So I put it together. So I have 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Great. Let's do another word. Let's do the word fell. 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 Oh, here we go. Let's sound it out. F-E-L. F-E-L. It's got 3 sounds. The first sound is for flower. What's the next sound? That's our vowel. We need our vowel, remember? F-E-L. That's our special one, so we have a double letter. There we go. So we have 3 sounds, so I'm going to give myself 3 ticks. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do the word will. I will do my spelling. Will. Will. Good, let's sound it out. Ready? W-I-L. W-I-L. What's the first sound? W. Again, it only has 3 sounds, but W is our first one. W. What's the vowel? That's our next one. W-I with a dot on the top. There we go. W-I-L. Again, it's our double sound here. Here we go. And we've got will. So again, I give myself 3 ticks. Let's read them back over just to make sure that we've done it right. S-E-L, sell. F-E-L, fell. W-E-L, will. Well, I hope you will have a lot of fun practicing your double L today. See you soon. Bye.